What's up guys, Very Cool Alan with another video. Today I'm actually just making this video because I saw someone's Galaxy Fold just, you know, it just, something happened right here in the middle where there's a little pixel bump. I don't know what happened, but what the main concern is, maybe they were closing it wrong. Maybe they they use the screen, which I don't know why you would ever do that. Even if you know the screen's kind of fragile, why you would ever grab it with one hand and then push it like right here in the middle to fold it. I haven't even tried that myself because even I know that's kind of stupid, but I've seen a few people when they're doing this kind of video about the fold. Some of them do close it like that, but there's other people that close it in different ways. I just wanted to show you how you should close it the smart way, and it's not inconvenient at all. It's just, a smart way to do it. Nothing crazy, nothing like, extraordinary. But pretty much you just want to close it with the little bezel at the bottom. So all you do is you just push it in like that. So, and when you open it, you just open it like that. Put your two thumbs right here, and there you go. Boom. That's it. When you close it, same thing. Just put your finger right here, your thumb, slightly press on it, closes like that. Nothing crazy. Yeah, don't ever put your thumb in the middle and try to close it. I know a lot of people probably do that because it's like a one-handed thing, but literally, unless you only have one hand, which I haven't seen any reviewers have one hand, just use this other, thumb. Just use a half second of your life to close it. I mean, you could try doing it like this, but it's a little bit more risky with one hand, but like that. So that's the proper way to close it. Judging from this picture, right here's the little thing. It looks like that dude, he was probably closing it like right here in the middle with one hand. He probably nicked it with his fingernail. A lot of people aren't going to confess how they're breaking it because obviously they don't want to look dumb on the internet. So he'll probably say it just happened by accident or whatever. But, these things, they're fragile, but if you use them correctly, it'll be fine. I mean, I've been using technology for like 20 years now, since I was little. And every time anything's ever broken is because I wasn't using it correctly. But if you use it correctly, if you close it, you're supposed to, right here at the bottom, perfectly, you don't have to be super fragile, just close it correctly, it's not gonna break. This thing is fine. I've already had it for a few days now. Nothing's happened to it, unless I drop it, unless I break it myself, it'll be fine. So that was just a quick short video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.